Hi guys! In this video, we're gonna learn how to make a short video for YouTube. So to do that, open your youtube.com and then log into your account. And after that, click your profile at the upper right corner and then click your channel. Now click create at the upper right corner icon and then click upload video. So always remember that in short videos of YouTube, you should have a format 9 by 16. So after you upload the video, wait for the link to have a slash shorts to make a short video for YouTube. So if you see now this slash shorts, you can now identify that your video is a short video for YouTube. Then click next. And after that, click next again. And in here, you can choose public and then click publish. And that's it. That's how to make a short video for YouTube. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.